You're watching TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Naggo Head on 16 and Hayes on 20. Now it's time for the final challenge, where questions are thrown open to both teams. The first team to press the buzzer earns the right to answer after the school has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. Teams, good luck to you both. And we start off with local affairs. This is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. That's Senator Andre Horton. Sports, what is the nationality of the footballer Sergio Ramos? That is Naggo Head?
Spanish.
Correct. Bible knowledge. On which island was John when he saw the visions recorded? Hayes?
Patmos. Patmos.
In the book of Revelation, that is correct. Science. What is the general name for the large group of animals with an internal skeleton and a backbone? Hayes?
Vertebrates. Vertebrates.
Correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word wax. That's Naggo Head?
Waxos.
Incorrect. It's waxy or waxing. Music. Which former Disney Channel star recorded the song Catitude? Hayes?
Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus.
That is correct. General knowledge. What is the term used for the collection and study of postage stamps? Hayes?
Philatelist. Philatelist.
Judges? The term is philately, so that is incorrect. Television, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person. The answer would be Carmelo Anthony, NBA player. Mathematics, what is the mean average of 12.1, 13.9, and 13? Bell beat you to it, that would be 13. Social studies, what is the national dish of Dominica? Hayes?
Mountain chicken. Mountain chicken.
Incorrect, it's callaloo. Television, in the story of the Three Musketeers, what is the name of the swordsman who teams up with them and eventually becomes a musketeer himself? D'Artagnan. Bible knowledge. By using 2 words, complete this popular saying from the King James Version of the Bible: the wages of sin is death. Science, in what type of habitat does an aquatic animal live? That is Hayes?
Water. Water.
Correct. English language, identify the adverb in this sentence. Where are you going to? That's Naggo Head?
To.
Incorrect, it's where. Music, which instrument does the internationally known Travis Barker play? It's the drum. General knowledge, what is the second most common gas found in the air we breathe? That is Hayes?
Oxygen.
That is correct. Local affairs, what is the full name of the ministry headed by Dr. Honorable Christopher Tufton? Hayes?
Health and wellness. Health and wellness.
Correct. Mathematics, what is the perimeter of a square with an area of 81 centimeters square? Hayes?
36 centimeters. 36 centimeters.
That is correct. Social studies, what is the name of the national music of the... And we won't finish that question with the scores at the end of today's match. Naggo Head on 14 and Hayes on 30. So we say congratulations to Hayes and well played by Naggo Head. We go for a break, and when we come back, we wrap things up. Please stay with us.